grateful to Association of Energy Engineers for providing me this award. I am pleased, honored and proud to receive as an Indian for this international award. This international award is based on our activities for the year 2020. The year 2020 was really a tough year due to COVID. There was lockdown almost all over the world. There was lockdown for almost 4 months in India. The businesses were under partial operation. The service sector was the most affected due to the COVID. The energy auditors were losing their jobs. But there was a change, the change from physical to digital. The Indian businesses started shifting their activities digitally. There was an opportunity for energy auditors to conduct the energy audits digitally. We adopted the change. We started conducting energy audits digitally by providing IoT-based energy monitoring solutions with the energy audits. This change was widely adopted by the industry. Industries started using IoT-based systems to monitor the productivity and energy efficiency for their industries. And energy auditors provide their suggestions based on the IoT data and recommend them the energy saving measures. This has created a big market of IoT-based sensors in India. This market is approximate 12 billion USD market. This market of IoT sensors was mainly won by the Chinese IoT sensors. But post-COVID, the Indian businesses has started looking for other opportunities in the rest of the world. This has created an opportunity for the IoT manufacturers from all over the world to set up their businesses in India. I personally invite the US companies to join hands with the Indian companies to capture this big market. I was personally interested to attend this event in US, but due to the travel restrictions, I cannot make it. But I assure you, I will definitely come next year and will join hands with you to work on for the better energy saving projects in the coming years. Thank you everyone, and once again, thank you Association of Energy Engineers for providing me this opportunity and for providing me this prestigious international award. Thank you everyone.